Hello, I received your email stating that you are concerned that the database file for Word Case 4 was corrupt. I've tested it and I do not find that error, so I think that you are performing a step incorrectly. So it's important to look at those steps again and have an open mind so that you do not repeat the error and that you can find the error. To help you with that, I'm going to walk through some of the steps. As you know, we go to Assessment and then Assignments. Now, very important, not in class, no. Case 4. Click to open. These are the files, and I'm going to download these files. Now, here is the mistake I believe that you have made. When you download all files, I'm going to save them here, but remember, you cannot use them from this file. These are zipped or compressed files, and in every class meeting we have discussed that you cannot work with those files in this folder. So recall what you're supposed to do. Holding my Shift key down, right-click, note my location, right-click, now I no longer need this folder. Very important that you do not work with the zipped files. Let's check this file to see if it's correct. This is an Access database file. We do not have experience with Access in this class. Still, we can open the file and see if we receive an error message. Then we will immediately close it because we are not working in Access. No error messages. Data. Close the file. No problems with this file. According to the directions in your textbook, you are working on the letter file. Blue box 17, which is the blue box that you said you had difficulty with, or that I have heard that there's a problem with, simply explains how to insert the current date. Oops, I'm going to triple click that to select that paragraph. To insert the current date, oops, where's my, sometimes these date boxes get really small, and I apologize, it's probably this one right here. Yeah, insert date. I believe they just wanted this format. See if they wanted you, make sure you're following the instructions. I don't have them in front of me, but the steps are the same. Now, notice I accidentally deleted a line. That was blue box 17. The next step is to complete the mail merge. Mailings. The book guides you through using the wizard. They do this in a series of the blue box videos and the written instructions. This is the letter. Use the current document. use an existing list, now pay attention, pay attention. Very important step, very important step. Do not use the files in the zipped folder. I hope you deleted it after you copied your files from it. If you attempt to open this from a zipped folder, I believe that you will experience an error message. You may not use files that are within the folder that was created when you used download all files. That would be an error that we have discussed in class. You must copy the files out of that folder. Only then will this work. Oops. You see I have extra text. It didn't replace it. I just need to make sure that it looks like what's shown in the video. You know, sometimes when we select things, the selection is different. Oh, see here, I accidentally inserted title twice. I'm going to make sure I delete that. This is when it would be very good. So here are my steps. I used Microsoft Word to insert the date. I began the mail merge process and I inserted the address block field. Where it says Dear, I inserted the field title, a space, and then last name. See how this works? See how it changes? I'm going to complete the merge. No need to print. Notice I'm in a brand new file and multiple letters have been created. If you are experiencing a problem with this database, I feel certain it is because you are attempting to use the database that is in the zipped file that you created when you used download all files. So once again, when I download all files, this is a compressed file with all files. You may not use the data from these files. As we have discussed in class and demonstrated in class, you must first copy the files out of this folder. You may not use the database inside this folder. That will lead to errors. Instead, you select copy and paste as we did. I hope this helps. Thank you.